Okay, in this video, I'm going to answer the question, should I buy a foreclosure in the year 2022 and beyond? Absolutely. If you find a deal, then buy it. Okay, if you find a foreclosure that you can buy, that you qualify for, that you have the cash to purchase, that makes sense on paper, that makes sense for whatever reason, other reasons you would want to buy it, like, maybe it's close to a family member. If you can buy it and it makes sense and it's a deal, yes, buy it. There's no reason, in my professional opinion, after working for banks for 20 years, I would say not to buy a foreclosure. Now, there might be a couple of negatives, like a lot of negativity out there in the real estate world, a negative stigma about foreclosures, added paperwork. Well, sometimes there's going to be another set of seller addendums, who cares? Maybe it takes a little bit longer than a traditional sale. That's not always the case, but it can be. I know most people think foreclosures are really fast to close, but trust me, that's not always the case. And maybe there's a deed restriction. That would be maybe the only thing I would think possible, but the deed restrictions aren't long anyway, 90 days. So there is no reason I would tell anybody not to buy a foreclosure if they found one that they can buy and it makes sense and it's a deal. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And hey, if you have any questions about foreclosures, you're looking at bidding on one or making an offer, ask me questions below. I'll be glad to answer them. As always, thank you. Have a great day.